But the big story right now, the Trinamool Congress accepting MP Tapash Paul's apology over his rape comment, saying there'll be no further action against him.
Fellow Member of Parliament Derek O'Brien saying that the party is satisfied with the tone of the letter, saying there is no need for any further action against Tapash Pal. Remember a video of the MP had surfaced where he had said he will send his boys to rape women of the opposition.
The party has accepted his unconditional apology, which he did. The party has accepted his unconditional apology because the party believes that was written in the right spirit. The tone and the manner of that apology is right, and the matter ends there.
Their satisfaction cannot be substitute for the law. There is a law in this country. Incitement to rape, incitement to violence amounts to abetment, and it is a crime. And therefore, he has to be prosecuted under the law of this country and arrested. This is the same chief minister, the same government, and the same party which prosecuted and arrested a professor of Jadavpur University because he posted a cartoon which the chief minister did not like.
It is nothing but a sort of theatrics only to hoodwink the common people. See, there is an adage that as you sow, so you reap. It is she who is the Chief Minister of West Bengal. She is solely responsible for this kind of audacious attitude of the comment has been committed in presence of the full glare of police, because that member of parliament was escorted by the police. So police could easily initiate a suo motu case against him.
Senior Nabin Shaugato Mukhopadhyay joining us live this evening from Kolkata. Shaugato, his party may have forgiven him, but Tapash Pal still faces potential trouble with the PIL and the opposition's moves being planned in Parliament.
Absolutely, Palki, and it seems that the road is certainly has not come to an end as far as the issue of Tapash Pal is concerned. As far as the party is concerned, yes, because Mamata Banerjee had made it very, very clear yesterday itself when she actually spoke out last evening, saying that she does not want to drag the issue any further, and that or whatever had to be done on behalf of the party has been done. And today the party spokesperson Derek O'Brien confirming that the party is satisfied with the tone and tenor of the apology letter that Tapash Pal has written. Mind you, today was the National Council meeting of the Trinamool Congress here, right beside me at the Trinamool Congress Bhavan in Kolkata, where all the Trinamool Congress MPs and the top district leaders had gathered to discuss the party's strategy, not just within the parliament but also outside of it. And it is there that Mamata Banerjee was the sole speaker, where she made it clear that she did not want any further debate or argument on the Tapash Pal issue. Tapash Pal, mind you, was conspicuous by his absence in this meeting, though he is a two-time MP of the party. It remains to be seen what kind of impact the privilege motion that is proposed to being brought at the Parliament, the PIL that has been filed in the Calcutta High Court, what kind of impact that will have on the party, whether or not that will have any kind of impact on Mamata Banerjee. But for now, Mamata Banerjee has put this case to a close as far as her party is concerned. Yes, you are right, the matter is not at all closed as far as the world outside is concerned.
Certainly so, and we continue to get so many messages on social networking websites about how this is something that is completely unacceptable. Why is this such a big deal? Why is there so much criticism for the Trinamool Congress? Shaugato, hold on for a moment. We'd just like to play out what exactly Tapash Pal had said in that rally to his supporters. Just listen in for yourself and judge according to what you think he said.
কথা বলবো না, আমি বলে গেলাম ওসব রংবাজি তাপস পালকে রেখে লাভ নেই। তাপস পাল অনেক বড় রংবাজ, আমি প্রচুর মাস্তানি করেছি, কিন্তু তৃণমূলের কোন মেয়ে, কোন বাপ, কোন বাচ্চার গায়ে হাত দেয়, তাদের পুষ্টিকে আমি চাটা করে চলে যাবো, আমার ছেলেদের ঢুকে দেবো, রেপ করে চলে যাবো।
All right, so that was a member of parliament, a two-time member of parliament, Taposh Pal, there making that statement in public. Shogato Mukhopadhyay continues to be with us. Shogato, that statement continues to ring, and really resonate because of all that we've seen and continuous and rising cases of rape cases that are coming to light. Having said that, what exactly are we likely to see in the days ahead in West Bengal? Because this is now an issue that is spiraling out of control as far as protests are concerned also. And we're also seeing that silence from Mamata Banerjee as well.
Well, Arunodoy, just to correct you a bit, Mamata Banerjee had broken her silence last evening. She spoke at length as to why she doesn't want this case to get dragged a little further than what it has already been, and that's the reason why we had concluded only yesterday that the Trinamool Congress party will not take any further action against Taposh Pal. But yes, what we are likely to see in the days ahead, there is a PIL that has been filed at the Calcutta High Court which seeks the court's leave to take police action and administrative action against Taposh Pal, urges the court to direct the police to file an FIR against him, take suo motu cognizance, arrest him and file a charge sheet against him in a court of law. So that's the PIL that the Calcutta High Court is likely to hear in the days ahead. Apart from that, Mamata Banerjee also accepts that the Taposh Pal incident has only one possibility now, which is a police reaction. Well, Mamata Banerjee thinks it is too late for that now, because she thinks the matter is already too old, about a month old according to her, and she doesn't want any police action to take place after so many days. Arunodoy.
Right, Shogato, thanks very much for that update. In fact, we continue asking our viewers to send in their comments on this issue on IBNlive.com.